In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on DigitalOcean in 2025 with this quick step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, don't worry. We'll walk through this together to get your WordPress site up and running seamlessly. First, let's start by heading over to DigitalOcean.com. Once you're there, look for the Create button. This is your gateway to starting something new. Click on it and then select Droplet. Think of a droplet as your little server universe where WordPress will come to life. Now, to ensure we're installing WordPress smoothly, you'll want to choose an image from the marketplace. As you glance through the options, type in and select WordPress. This makes things simple as it pre-configures your server for easy WordPress installation. Having done that, you'll need to pick a plan. If you're just getting started, the basic 5-a-month plan is just perfect. It provides all the essential resources you'll need without breaking the bank. Choosing the right data center region is crucial. Consider where most of your website's visitors are or will be located. Selecting a data center closer to them can help improve the site's loading speed, enhancing the user experience significantly. Next, we'll need to set up authentication. Decide whether you prefer using an SSH key or a password for secure access to your droplet. If you're not sure what SSH keys are, they're a more secure login method compared to regular passwords, but either option will work depending on your comfort level. At this juncture, you might consider adding backups or monitoring solutions. They're optional, but having automatic backups can be a lifesaver if something unexpected happens to your site. Once all these choices are made, hit Create Droplet. You'll wait a little while DigitalOcean spins up your server. After a few moments, your droplet will be ready, and you'll want to note down your droplet's IP address. This is how you'll access WordPress. Open a web browser and type in that IP address. Voila! You'll find yourself staring at the WordPress setup page. Enter pertinent details, such as your preferred language, site title, along with a username, password, and email you wish to use. These will serve as your login details later. And now the moment we've been patiently working towards. Click Install WordPress. With this click, you're just seconds away from bringing your website to life. Finally, log into your new WordPress dashboard by visiting http://ip.wp-admin. Use the credentials you just created to start customizing and building your website. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WordPress on DigitalOcean. Take some time to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available to you. Remember, the digital world is at your fingertips. Happy blogging!